Hi, in front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads. Begin by locating and opening an app called Files. Now select Continue in the pop-up, then Allow in the other one, and finally hit Browse at the bottom in the middle. Then tap on Downloads category. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. To access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!